Hi everyone, I'm Joe and my cat Macchou is there. Thank you very much for stopping by. I'm just an ordinary Japanese woman who loves making dishes requested by people from all around the world. Today, I received a birthday request. So, Aslani 266 san said, "Today my birthday, please make cake." So today I'm making a birthday cake using rice. Perfect timing. My mom just sent me a care package and it included some rice. So that's what I'll use. So let's make it together. Macchou. Macchou. Macchou, 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 Macchou. Let's make a rice birthday cake. World Food Tour Day 60. Aslan-san, thank you for the birthday cake request. My mom just sent me a care package with rice, so I'm making a birthday cake using it. I hope this makes your birthday extra special. Let's keep cooking. Tomorrow is the last day of our trip to Japan this month. Done! I bet you are turning 27. Sorry if I'm wrong. Aslan-san, happy birthday! Oh no, I forgot to film the cake cutting scene. Sorry, but it's so delicious. Thank you so much. Hi again. The short video you saw was my daily cooking short video. Today, I forgot to press the record button during an important part. I was so sad, but I hope Aslandi 266 son enjoys this birthday cake. Happy birthday! Also, during my live stream, when I take this film, Yamo-san came here to watch. She's the person who inspired me to start cooking dishes from around the world. I was a big surprise because it was the middle of the night in Edinburgh. Edinburgh is the place Yamo-san lives in. So how was today's video? If you enjoyed it, let's go on another world food tour together. Please like, subscribe, and comment. This is the end of our July 2026 tour. Thank you so much for traveling with the world with me from my tiny Japanese kitchen. So thank you so much. Bye. And one more thing, Mom, thank you so much. As always, I love this care package. Everything looks so delicious. I'm going back home in August, so next month. So I can't wait to see you again. Okay, bye. Macchou.